First Five San Luis Obispo County is proud to recognize individuals who are making a big difference in the lives of our little ones and their families. This year's honorees represent We Are the Care, a community partnership to address our local child care challenge. May's heroes are all of our dedicated child care professionals who continue to rise to meet this moment and the needs of countless families in our community.
There are special people who love our kiddos, teach them, feed them, and watch them play. These kind and gentle professionals care for the next generation for me and you. Life is tough without you, friends. We are thankful and proud for all that you do.
They are so helpful to our family. So mommy and daddy can work and you guys have a safe place to go, right?
You've allowed all of our healthcare workers and emergency workers to continue doing good work for our community throughout COVID. And you also do that year round. We're just so grateful for everything you do and for creating safe and fun environments for our kids.
As a community member, I recognize that childcare is fundamentally important in a healthy society.
And as the Child Care Planning Council, we want child care professionals to know how valuable they are to ensuring our county's overall vitality.
I love that when I'm at work, I know that these two guys are in a safe and engaging environment.
I'm sure that the kids that you normally see every day are missing you and wanting to see you, and they can't wait for this pandemic to be over so they can be back in your good care.
Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you!
We miss you guys, and we hope to see you real soon, huh? All right.
What did we want to say, Nico?
Thank you, Fun and Fun. And thank you, Club Star.
Thank you, Fox and Rec. Bye.
Thank you, miss you, love you, Fun and Fun. And Club Star. Bye. Bye.
You guys are the best.
Yeah! Hope to see you next year.
Hope to see you next year. We love you.
Early child care education professionals, we see you, we support you, and we honor you.
Perhaps now, more than ever, we recognize and appreciate the invaluable contributions of our ECE workforce.
Your services are essential to the vitality of our communities and the well-being of our children.
With grace and gusto, you are rising to meet this moment and the needs of so many families.
We stand with you now and through the challenging recovery process to come. And so for all of us from First Five, we thank you for all that you do.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
You can learn more about Hands-On Heroes and We Are the Care in the Central Coast Journal and at first5slow.org.